urn ready to go. Like you said, he's going into the spirit.
Drawing si Gabi yan, boss ko, pag gaganyan.
Drawing ko na, tal.
Do you expect
Dali mo.
Sumail to be active
Si
immediately
Gabi.
after getting the vessel?
Yeah, I think
Ang ina ko na yung ginagawa mo.
Nag-drawing ako, tal. Tapos, meron siyang hawak na cellphone.
Something to set things up.
Yung
Or if
cellphone
you
niya.
use Solar Bind, that might be enough, forcing Slotums to use both.
And they've got GH here too. They
paano
go to the
picture?
bushwhack, but here comes Panda.
Yan.
Oh, nice. Thorin hit him before
Corner
he could get
shots.
the
Baka may
toss.
apple sa ano.
Bramble Maze. 4 heroes
Tapos
here
nanonood
for
sa NBA.
Shopify.
Ah.
Don't get anything out of
NBA.
this. I was gonna
Tapos,
for Shopify.
Mali yung pwesto mo, Doy.
mali
Dapat
pwesto
ilusot
ko?
mo.
That's sa kabila?
Kasi walang space sa harapan sa harapan sa
Eh, no.
sinutok, di
Hindi,
ba?
ano kasi to eh, anime to eh. Animated to, tol.
Ayan,
Gumagalaw, oh. NBA, nanonood ng NBA.
Instead.
NBA, letter B yan, ah.
Try to keep farming, guys. Try to keep farming
Gumagalaw
now.
yan, tol.
Just open some map and then try to keep farming.
Teka, ganito kasi yan eh.
We need so much
Nakaupo yan, pero parang nakatayo na rin kasi maliit din talaga yan. Tapos dumating yung kaaway niya. Wait lang, paano ba yung
Hindi yung kaaway niya, tal, pag
It's
gaganyan.
a bit different, I would say. Back in the days when
Saan yung
Quaswex
ballpen?
Invoker was super popular from the mid lane, where
Yan,
you
oh.
need to get
Yung
this was like
kaaway
free
niya, dumating. Eh, nanonood si Gabi dito ng
Invoker, where you needed to
NBA.
get stuff done. Your first rotation,
yun?
it needs to be on point.
Basta ito
so
siya,
that you get the
Pogi.
Turn of Shadows combined
Ayan,
with the
dumating
Cold
si
Snap.
Pogi.
But
Ah.
Si Pogi, si Pogi yan.
continue to farm up. He
Dali
has
nga
a
kay
farm
Pogi yun.
tools compared to Invoker.
Ina mo,
He's about
tangkad
to
nun eh, oh.
finish off Spirit Vessel in the next
Ingay
minute.
ni Jackie, report mo. Kaya nga, wala naman siyang sinasabi po si
Gold away from
Legit.
that. He'll clear up the creep
Ano
waves
to?
with this Illuminate. This Courier.
Yan,
Search mo.
parang galit yung mata, gago. Galit na galit,
Visit ka talaga,
nanlilisik.
empty. Good afternoon, boss empty.
Yung buhok niya, basta, Pogi yan. Basta Pogi.
Pogi yan, oh.
Back to base.
Tapos ganyan talaga itsura niya.
They are lacking some of
Galit
the
na
stuns.
galit.
3 heroes.
Tapos di ko alam kung naka 4
Ay,
balls siya
pukin
noong
ng ina
time
mo.
na yun eh. 4 balls.
Sometimes it's not going to be enough.
Ayan.
GH thinking about making a move in the mid lane one more time. Both is available.
Torrent lands, they've got the X.
Parang
but
pangit
Sumail
ang
goes
drawing.
into the ult. They'll toss
Parang
him
di
back towards
na-animate.
the tier 1 tower.
Yan.
The solar bind slowing him up.
Tapos,
Ghost
basta
ship.
Pogi yan.
That gets used. They've got the
Tapos,
bushwhack, but
pinagsasapak
now
niya si
What
ano.
is this hero?
just TP out.
Peng, peng, peng. Ay, wait
He's
lang.
in the middle of 3 heroes.
Ba't naiiwan, putang ina? Wait lang, si
Like,
Pogi
Tiny
kasi.
has very static damage where he used avalanche toss.
Yan,
By
si
static, I
Pogi,
mean
yan, si Pogi.
early on it doesn't deal
Anime
much.
kasi to,
Panda,
guys.
This should be a kill. This should
Anime.
be
This one.
Urn of Shadows.
You gotta
Tapos
keep
ang
blasting.
nangyari,
Vessel completed.
pang, pang, pang,
Goblin
pang,
early
pang,
on
pang,
doesn't
pang, pang,
provide
pang,
you with
pang,
much
pang.
damage, especially
Apat
with
daw
those
bago
hero
pigilan.
isolated, so Acorn shot
Ganyan
only
yan, ah.
bounces once.
Kunyari, wala siya yan.
So,
Yan, nanonood lang si
Two times
NBA
in a
boy,
row.
ah. Ha,
Sumail now
sugal
still
pa
wants
more.
to make a
Yan na,
move.
dumating.
Sugal pa more.
Nanlilisik
It's
yung
being
mata, oh.
delivered, so that's going to be a big item against
Ikaw
Bristle.
yung naninira sa akin sa social
If they
media.
can
Bo-
Tangina mo,
Boss ko yung
ano
comment
yun?
dito, boss ko. Kaya pala national hero kasi pambansang kamao.
Huwag nyo nang ano yun, oy. Ano ba yung sinasabi nyo? Walang banggitan, doy. Basta, kunyari yan, dumating na. Kunyari, si Pogi, dumating, doy.
Even with
Ayun, oh.
Sumail, they smoke
Dapat
up. They're
nandyan
actually
din
gonna run
sila
right.
Jawdoy.
Tapos
Drawing
yan
mo
na.
din.
Wait lang. Ayan na. Tangina mo, sasapakin na. Pang, 2, 3, 4. Tangina mo, ganyan na yung mukha ni Gabi nun that time.
Dali.
Tapos,
Dali.
yung mga teammates niya, nanonood lang. Ayan. Ayan, nanonood lang.
Sino yan? Sino yan, Doy?
Ha?
Sino yan?
Bawal ng pangalan, tol. Nakangiti, nanonood. Nanonood.
Sus.
Interesting build from
Ay,
Slotums.
te. Putang ina mo, namatay ako.
Ganyan rin,
What
no?
the fuck?
Yesterday in a series of
Putang ina mo.
against
Sa
Bears,
critical, Doy.
Kala nila nagbibiruan, nakangiti din yan, no? Nakangiti.
Putang ina
Nagbibiruan.
naman talaga.
Wants to have
Oo,
an
nagbibiruan.
extra catch, but most importantly,
Tapos,
you wanna have
ito
the
naman
spell
si ano,
mechanic against
bagong player din
Spirit
to.
Vessel
Carry
and
din to
also
eh.
having that
Kaya ka din yan.
Carry,
solo
carry.
bind, which is super annoying.
Nakaganyan lang. Ano nangyayari? Biruan ba? Ganito ba biruan sa Tagalog? Sabi niya. Ganyan pala biruan sa Tagalog. Tapos nung pinagsasapak ni ano, ni Abe, ni... Tangina mo, ano yun? Pinagsasapak ni Pogi. Ano? Pang, 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 pang.
Dali mo, pang.
Ang nangyari, dumating tong tatlo. Tapos, yung isa lang pala yung pumigil, tol. Isa lang yung
Yung
pumigil.
isa lang.
Uy!
Si Baymax.
Ayan, din. Oh, ayan, pinigilan na. Uy, ano ginagawa nyo? Akala ko ba laro lang kayo?
see.
Uy.
GH, he's gonna get
May
run
balat
down,
ako sa
but at least
puwet.
pick up a
Tangina,
tight network
matutuloy
over
na
Sumail.
dapat
The
talaga yung
sharpshooter's
malakas
gonna fly
nating
through,
team.
but they don't get any
Tangina
kills just
talaga,
yet.
ano ba?
Saberlight looking
Pigil
for an
na,
opportunity
huy.
to drop down a black hole.
Ayan,
Chases
tumigil
down
na.
Kaz, who will
Nung
get
napigilan,
hurt on Teasies.
tangina,
Teasies
mag-uusap
back,
dapat.
Vessel on him.
Ito namang yung isa, tol.
Well, Secret
Biglang
here with
nag-ano,
Panda as
umalis
well
talaga
as
agad
Slatan
ng ano,
looking for
No
some
Scenario.
BKB bro. I think if we get the opportunity,
Ang
try to
sakit.
kill him.
to leave this
Ang
fight.
sakit. Ayan, nawala na siya sa
Attacking
scene.
on the same target.
At doon nawala yung sa scene.
Is gonna be taken by Pakaz. They
Nawala
will
sa
sack
scene,
it
tol.
one more time.
Nawala sa
They
scene.
had a pretty big
Wala
timing.
sa scene yan.
Oo.
Dali nga
This
yun, tol.
is something that Shopify
Sana,
Okay,
tangina,
LTP,
nawala
LTP.
talaga. Asan na?
knowing that
Nawala siya sa scene, tol.
number of stacks.
Tapos anong nangyari?
Shopify 11 for Booty
Tumawag
Sports.
siya, tol. Tumawag.
Let's just watch that
Ganito
goal.
ang nangyari naman nangyari.
700 from 600.
Nag-call siya ng 911.
650 from 600, 1,000 now.
Call
Big
911.
one still left. That's
Uy,
gonna be good.
Go, go.
12,
tumawag siya sa
1300 goal
911.
for
Ay,
Bristol
tangina
back.
mo, ayaw. Uy,
They're
uy.
making a move one
Yeah,
more
Ayan,
time.
ang pangit naman ng
Round
animated
two,
ko
let's
na
go.
ganyan.
Trying to
Call
chase
911
Boy,
siya.
bawasan mo yung ano, bawasan mo yung size.
Immediately use on a
Break.
Paz,
Ayan,
they got
oh.
the break with the sharpshooter.
Tapos
and
nung
they'll
una,
get that
nakangiti
kill.
lang siya. Ngayon, nakalungkot na siya
Bought out on the
ngayon.
point booster, went north towards that secret shop.
Hindi, naglagay ako
Secret,
ng ano.
though, doesn't have primal split, so the
Tumawag si
Illuminate
ano.
will fly
Wait lang,
in.
ina-anime ko kasi.
I think Solar Bomb
Para
might
na-imagine
be
nila
the most
nangyari
annoying
sa
ability in the game.
Call 911.
Eight,
Tapos
eight, eight,
nakasad
Toss
dito.
with another Illuminate.
Hindi, inano ko yan. Inointment
Down
ko yan
goes
lang.
Panda.
Kaya ganun.
Very good read from
Inointment ko
Shopify.
yan.
After seeing the big stack, they're like, oh, it's gonna take them some time. There is no boat
Ointment.
available. There is
Tapos
no
sad na siya.
relocate, no Bruce
Tapos,
split, so they're gonna go in and try to make something happen.
After niya sa call 911, wala, ayaw sumagot ng 911. Call baby, ayan, call baby siya.
Because
Pinenta
without
niya na kay
Terrorize, without
Karen.
having Bedlam or
Tapos,
back Brewmaster or Kunkka who runs
Baby.
in, they're gonna lack that extra damage.
Baby.
GH and Coddle playing together.
Pauwi na ako. Sabi niya, tangina
Nasa
mo
pa ka ng
kumanta siya.
pambansang kamao.
Sumail.
Baby, pauwi na ako. Tangina, kala niya kinakanta siya ni Ska Stock Little.
Lapit talaga yung nag-comment ng
Chiefs
puta.
surviving a little bit longer,
Naturally,
but
yung
Pig flies through, but now they've got the Yules on as Sumail
Sabi
is
niya,
still a
baby,
little bit
pauwi
too
na
late.
ako. Tapos kala nung
Ang
ni
ulitin talaga ng
baby,
mga Pinoy, putang ina niya talaga eh.
kala ni baby, si girl, nakangiti siya. Kasi, tapos na yung content.
Bushwhacking did, so.
Let's go, baby, sabi niya. Tapos yung di niya narinig kasi yung...
Sa region
Ano?
ko. Ayoko, putang ina. Oh my
Wala
God.
niyang
Are
good
buying
news.
Wolf Scepter. Not your traditional item. Eventually, that's gonna be turned
Bobo
into
ng game ang
Wind
puta,
Waker if
kape ko eh.
necessary to
Nasa
get out
pack.
the big combo. Great against Brain
Nasa
Bomb
pack
Maze.
ako, ayun
Because
sabi
Blue
niya.
Esports, they don't have that much stunts.
Nasa pack ako, pero
Countered by Yule Scepter, so Sumail.
di masakit,
one step
sabi niya.
ahead. This is
Sabi nung isa.
Ay,
so that
nako.
he doesn't have to buy a beat.
Ayan yung mga nangyari talaga, guys. Nasundan niyo ba yung animated na natin? Nasapak ako pero di masakit. Nagyabang pa siya, si Idol. Oo, hindi daw masakit.
Better than all.
Ayan, okay na, guys. Na-animated na natin yung mga pangyayari na ano, malupit.
Mana leak was good. I'm saying bring it back.
Malinaw, malinaw. Dale, guys. Animated yan, guys. Nakita nyo. Di ba kanina buo yung mukha niya?
Was
Ayun.
promised.
Maganda, maganda. Maganda yung pagkakaroon
Nabawasan,
natin.
tol.
Next time, anime na to. Wala lang color, ah. Sa nagre-request ng version ng color, sige, pa-PowerPoint natin yan
Got
pag
that now.
ibang
He's on
version
the
naman.
late. Contract throws down a ward and immediately looks to TP out. Relocate from
Ganda, ah.
Panda to get that wisdom
Nahati,
rune.
tol.
So both
Episode
wisdom runes
ano,
picked up, one by
episode
Kaz,
1.
one by
Yung
Panda,
episode 2, sige,
one
may
by
color na.
Panda.
Backstory nagkasuntukan. Wala tayong details, tol. Ikaw, Mel, may details ka ba?
Wala akong
Finishing off
details
his
dun, tol.
tags.
Brewmaster is the one who's struggling.
Ganda animation,
Sacred
no?
does have
Tama,
Talisman
pagod ako dun, ah.
Evasion. That's his item. Sometimes you'll see them pick it up with
Bakit,
the
Miss?
Sacred
Putang
Relic.
ina.
You have a lot of
Tangina,
evasion
umay
combined
naman
with
tong ano
a
to.
Drunken Brawler
Yung game na
or
to, tol.
Storm Brawler stance.
You like the stances? The changes that were...
It is
Nah?
it is
Wala kayo connection ni Jang. Ang pangit ata ng mga call na, tol. Si Jockey bakit?
Oo, version lang nila Gabi yun.
Eh,
Di ba, Mel? Tama ba? Version nila Gabi yun?
Version nila Gabio.
Seems like when Brew gets...
Hindi, kala kasi ni Windy, ba't ko kinento? Hindi nga alam. Version lang nila yun.
Version-
Tapos
version
in-anime
lang,
ko
oo,
lang.
na demo na kasi.
For Kid Track.